Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. Just in case you didn't know, Nano Ledger, which is one of my favorite hardware wallets, okay, where you can store your cryptocurrencies on it, has just launched the ability to stake your Ethereum directly from your ledger. This is a big deal. This is a big deal for people who have Ethereum in their ledger, and they want to stake their coins. Obviously, this service is being operated by Lido, and I'm going to show you Lido in a minute. So Lido are the ones staking your coins. Okay, it's ETH 2.0 staking. And what they do is they give you the opportunity to be able to stake less than 32 ETH, because you need 32 ETH if you're going to stake Ethereum yourself for Ethereum 2.0. Okay, but you're able to stake any amount on your ledger through Ledger Live and Lido. So this is something that just came out yesterday. This is on the 13th of August, and it's a big deal. It's a big deal. So if I scroll down, I want to just go through a few things so that you can understand why this is a big deal. Okay, so it says here, Ethereum staking service is operated by Lido. If you encounter any transaction related issues, please reach out to Lido. You expected it, we did it. After making it possible to stake Polkadot, Tezos, Algorand, Cosmos and Tron, you can now safely stake your ETH directly through Ledger with our partner Lido. You can find Lido in Ledger Live app catalog in the discovery section. So if you have Ledger Live, you can actually check it on this discover here. Lido, discover Lido. Okay, I've already staked some here. So this is really powerful. Okay, it's an amazing day for if you have Ethereum in your ledger. So no need to hold and wait for the price to rise. Stake it. But what does staking mean exactly? It's pretty simple. Crypto isn't only about buying and selling digital assets. It's about generating passive income while helping secure the network. Staking consists in participating in transaction validation on a proof of stake blockchain. Anyone with a minimum required balance of a specific crypto can validate transactions and earn staking rewards. So with Ledger, you now have the opportunity to participate in the transition to ETH 2.0. Indeed, the recent surge in DeFi applications contributed to the network congestion and fee explosion. Hence, Ethereum is moving from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus mechanism to improve the network security and state scalability. Okay, so the transition demands an involved staking community to validate ETH transactions. By staking ETH, you contribute to the network security whilst earning daily rewards for doing so. Appealing, right? So make Ethereum staking more liquid with Lido. We're able to stake our Ethereum with Lido through our Ledger Live app and through our Ledger wallet. Powerful. ETH2 staking is relatively illiquid and inaccessible. Validators must stake 32 ETH and keep them locked until transfers and smart contracts are implemented on a protocol. Let's face it, it's not an easily affordable amount of crypto. But don't worry, Lido enables liquid staking. By staking ETH with Lido, you don't need to own 32 ETH to become a network validator. Lido allows users to participate in the network with any amount of ETH. You don't need to maintain complex infrastructure whilst preserving the liquidity of your ETH. Indeed, for each ETH you stake through Lido, you'll receive ST-ETH in exchange. These can be exchanged, sent or sold using services such as Paraswap. ETH staking rewards and fees. What you should know: the percentage return on staked ETH depends on the total ETH in the network. An increase in the total amount of staked ETH leads to a decrease in APR. If the total amount of ETH staked is low, then the Ethereum rate will consequently be higher, with a maximum annual reward of 18.10%. Okay, So you can see the staking rewards by going to stakingrewards.com. You can see the ETH 2.0 rewards you can make in APR. Okay, so Lido applies a 10% fee on a user's staking rewards. This fee is split between node operators, the DAO, and an insurance fund. Can be changed by the DAO pending a successful vote. So I believe that the people who have Lido token, which is Lido's actual token, will have the ability to vote on that. Why stake ETH with Lido through Ledger? So this is the powerful part. Okay, Ledger is the safest way to stake ETH. Your private keys remain tightly secured within your Nano hardware wallet, guaranteeing a hack-proof experience. All transactions are confirmed from the security of your hardware wallet. Ledger Live is an ergonomic app with all you need to access a galaxy of Web3 services under the same roof. For instance, you can stake ETH with Lido, but also buy or exchange Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many other coins. All that from one single app. Thirdly, the user interface is easy to use. To stake ETH, all you need to do is the following. Go on the Ledger Live app, go to the Discover Ledger Live and select Lido. I've showed you that anyway before, which I'll show you quickly instead of talking about it. Go to Ledger Live. You need to go to Manager. And you need to, then you need to put the your code on your ledger, which I'm gonna do. You put the code. Then you need to make sure that you add the Lido app. Okay, if you type in LIDO, make sure you have it installed on your Ledger Live, as you can see. Then you need to go to Discover. Then you need to go to Lido. Okay, then you need to, it will show you the amount of ETH you have here. Then all you need to do is choose the amount you want to stake. I chose the max, so you just click max. My one says 0 because I've already staked it. It will have the full amount of ETH here. Then you just click submit. It will tell you the transaction cost here. This goes up and down. Sometimes it can be $16, $17, $15. Right now it's $20. You might want to wait maybe until it's lower. When I did mine, it was about 16. Click submit. It will then show you an Ether scan, so you can actually see whether it's pending. Then it will take about 2-3 minutes, and then it will process, and then you will see the staked amount here, and you will see the APR here, which is 5.4%, which 10% will go to Lido for their admin and their other stuff. Okay, so the current Ethereum APR is 6%, but you will get 5.4% by staking on Lido. It's better than needing to have 32 ETH in order to stake your Ethereum. So I really do think this is amazing. I really do think this is groundbreaking, actually. So actually, this is just the explanation that I just showed you. Okay, and here's the conclusion. At Ledger, we unlock the crypto world by adding more and more coins, tokens, NFTs, and dApps into Ledger Live. Adding Lido services is consequently a new milestone and a step closer to becoming your gateway to the Web3 galaxy. Ledger and Lido combined will definitely make your crypto life easier and safer. If you're looking for a way to stake your Ethereum in a safer way, this is definitely an option. Okay, especially if you have a Nano Ledger X or S, and you have Ledger Live, you definitely want to stake your ETH and start earning rewards every day. Okay, if you go to this question mark, it will tell you that your staking rewards will commence 24 hours after your deposit's been made. Okay, very powerful stuff. I've staked 6 ETH here, and if you want to do so like I am, make sure you check out the link in the description where if you don't have a ledger, you can stake there. If you need to buy a ledger, you can get that in the links in the description, where you can purchase a ledger for that as well. Don't waste time. This is the time to start staking your ETH. If you're brand new to the crypto world, welcome. Check out my crypto for beginners training. If you're somebody that's already advanced, there's also my Rolodex in there, where you can get a lot of value on what I'm doing to make 6 and 7 figures online. So definitely get yourself plugged in, get yourself staking ETH. This is a great update from Ledger, and this happened on the 13th. This was yesterday. So this is a brand new function, and it's definitely going to bring a lot of people earning yield off of their Ethereum directly from their Nano ledger. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.